Okay, you've had the opportunity to listen to Kristen present the findings from the survey that was undertaken, and also a range of presenters talk on different aspects of industry and research collaboration. Now's the opportunity to actually ask some questions, and we're going to have a panel session that Max Brennan will lead. So I'd like to ask Max to come forward and introduce the panel. If you've got any questions that you've put down in writing and you'd rather hand them in than read them out, we'll collect those at the same time as well. Thank you. Thanks, Max.
There is an opportunity for 5 minutes stand up, I would have thought, and particularly if you stand up and hand a piece of paper to Tom over there with some questions, that would be good. So let's just take a few minutes to relax. If you'd like to stand up and stretch, you know, that there was some discussion with the Premier, and they said, well, can't you continue doing something? And so I decided I'd sit in a box called ConstellationSA, try and keep out of the way of the new Chief Scientist, incoming Chief Scientist Ian Chessell. Just to take one moment, ConstellationSA is all about enhancing collaboration between the research organisations and between them and industry. It's a structure for research for innovation, and working with the Centre for Innovation and the two departments. It's a structure which will enhance, we hope, the transfer of the capabilities and knowledge in the universities and the public sector generally into industry and other users. The pointy end of that are the alliances across the broad areas of interest to the state, and within the alliances clusters. Things are beginning to happen. For example, agriculture, food and wine, the wine industry cluster is up and running, and there are a number of other clusters that are up and running too. The advanced manufacturing area then is one clear area of importance to the state, and we already have one obvious cluster, which is the Medical Devices Partnership Program. That's a cluster within the ConstellationSA. The Premier has said, and I'm pleased that he has said, that he sees it as a framework for government investment. The Premier's Science and Research Fund, and you've heard that referred to a couple of times, is totally focused on funding at a level of about $1.5 million or so a year in total, so $4 million running, and hopefully some more, that will focus on helping industry engage with universities.